In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an account inside of EasyMarkets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to easymarkets.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it should bring something like this. And here you can either go up to sign up, or I have personally had most success with just clicking try demo account. Once you've done that, you'll see this page right here where you can either select your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and enter your mobile phone number. From here, you'll also need to click that I declare that you're over the age of 18 and you agree with the terms of policy. You can also connect with your Google account or Facebook account if you want to do that. Once you've done that, you'll see the country of residence where you can choose your specific country that you pay taxes inside of and just click continue. Now we'll just wait until EasyMarkets has created your account like so. Then from here, it should bring something like this and you will be automatically put into the demo account. And here you can just close this down. But to create an actual live account, you'll need to go up to menu up here and then select under account, then select live. Once you're in here, you'll need to click continue. And then from here, application page will pop up that you simply just need to follow through right here. As you can see here, your personal information, where you'll need to enter your first name, last name, your phone number, address, postal code, city, date of birth, nationality, account currency, whether or not you are a politically exposed person, country of tax residence, your tax ID, which is optional right now, and whether or not you are a tax resident in another country, and if you are a US citizen. And just click all of these in and click continue. From here, you'll get over to the ID verification where you'll need to place in either a photo of your driver's license or password and just send the application. Then that'll go a couple minutes and you'll be accepted into EasyMarkets live account. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!